welcome to Aaliyah's cooking show. I'm going to show you how to make pancakes. First, you pour some of this in, 2 scoops in, you get some of this chocolate goodness. And stir the tap. You get 1 scoop of this. And then we have 2 scoops of pancake mix and 1 scoop of water. You have to stir it until there's no more lumps. And that's what I'm going to do. And it's really hard to do it. And we got to mix it until it's smooth like a baby's bottom. And keep mixing it. Now we're going to put a banana in. And every good chef needs a taste test. It's good for their inside customers and outside. And let me chop it. And we drop it in. Plop it. We have to make it small pieces so everybody can have a yummy little banana yumminess piece. Research says if you feed brown spots, that taste healthier for your body and yum. You'll always have brown bananas if you want. That makes you healthy and strong. And then, and every chef needs a taste test all over and pop some in. And cook it out. So mix it and mix it. And now let's go over there and bring one of the ice. Always make sure your magic wizard helps you with the stove. And let me just get some butter and plop it on the ice. Then you have to have lots of butter so then your pancakes, a little bit of butter so then your pancakes won't stick. Ready? Again, we put 1 scoop of this, and then we put the rib in there, and then we plop it in. Now it's done because there's bubbles on the top, and that means it's ready to flip. It's okay if you break it, because that means it's okay. It doesn't mean that you don't like it. It's still okay, right, Magic Wizard?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, now we gotta wait until there's bubble. Oh, I saw a bubble on the top. And you can tell that it's rising when they get bigger. And wait and keep waiting. Oh, this little pancake's ready. We need to get a plate. So this one. They're ready. Let's put them on the plate. Next part, we get to decorate it. My favorite part. We grab some butter. Some buttery butter. And you put that on there. And you mash it around. A little bit too much. We'll put more there and some here. Take some off there, and now we decorate it with some syrupy syrup time. Over here, there, and more. You hold my fork there and you cut it. So delicious. Yum! I love it! Like and subscribe for more Aaliyah recipes.